The health benefits of basil seeds and a simple recipe to use at home. 1. Basil seeds and leaves are commonly used in Indian, Thai and Italian cuisine for their wonderful flavour. They have also been used for over 5,000 years as a natural medicine. The seeds are extracted from the Ocimum basilicum plant and provide some wonderful health benefits for the human body. 2. When these are soaked in water, they form a very special basil seed drink. This works wonders in helping you to lose weight and boost your overall health. 3. The ancient medical practices of Ayurveda and Chinese medicine use this drink to boost protein, fiber and iron within the body. This promotes weight loss, strength and vitality. 4. Weight gain is a common problem in the modern world as we have access to many unhealthy junk foods and processed carbohydrates. Basil seeds help to promote a feeling of fullness in the stomach, making you less likely to overeat. The nutrients within also help your body to shed fat very quickly. Recipe you will need: 2 teaspoons of basil seeds and 1 cup of warm water, around 250 milliliters. Method: soak the seeds in the water for 15 minutes. The heated water causes the seeds to swell and double in size. They form a white, translucent film over each of the black seeds, which releases their antioxidants and nutrients. Do not use hot water for this, as you may destroy some of the enzymes. Boil the water first and allow it to cool until lukewarm before using. Drink this twice per day to aid in weight loss and boost nutrition. Be sure to experiment and add your own flavors to this, such as herbal teas, freshly made juices, or perhaps a little raw honey. 5. Basil seeds are also known as sabja seeds in some parts of the world and have a similar appearance to chia seeds, yet are very different. Basil seeds are richer in iron than chia, whereas chia have more antioxidants. 6. Drinking soaked basil seeds every day is excellent for those who are dieting and trying to shed those extra pounds. The extra iron helps you to feel more energetic by strengthening the capillaries and boosting blood flow. 7. The drink is also helpful in getting rid of painful heartburn and acid reflux in the chest area. The mixture helps to soothe the burning sensation very quickly. 8. Basil seeds naturally detoxify the body by boosting digestion and making you use the toilet more often. You should be having at least 2 bowel movements per day for fast weight loss. 9. The volatile oils within the seeds also reduces stomach bloating and intestinal gas, making you feel more comfortable and relieving constipation. 10. In many cultures, the seeds are mixed with warm milk as a bedtime drink. This has a delicious flavor and can be very relaxing at night. 11. The high amount of fiber in soaked basil seeds is also useful for those who are suffering with diabetes. The fiber helps in the slow release of sugars so that the blood sugar does not spike highly. 12. In Thailand, the seeds are soaked in coconut milk and drank with a little honey in the summer. This is said to reduce body heat and is extremely refreshing, with a milkshake-like consistency. 13. Basil seeds are also rich in alpha-linolenic acid, which is a form of omega-3. This helps to boost your metabolism and prevent unwanted cravings. 14. The seeds can be crushed and made into a paste with a little water. This can be applied to wounds and cuts to promote faster healing. 15. If you drink these regularly, along with consuming basil leaves, you lower your risk of heart attacks and strokes. 16. To learn more about basil seeds and other healthy herbs, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.